Hi there, Frank here for premium members. Intraday, 11 a.m. Monday morning. I just want to share this quick note here with you guys who trade currencies. And if you go back the premium nightly videos, you know that we've been eyeing and being active on currencies lately. Some excellent lessons here. Look at this 6A. We were talking about first having to conquer the previous pivot, which occurred a couple of hours ago, and now we conquered or retested the previous major pivot. This is an excellent lesson in how pullback trades develop. And also we mentioned the importance of starting to manage the trade as we fight our way through the first pivot here. And please note that nothing ever is 100% in trading. We're working with probabilities, so a small subset of these trades will fail, but that's completely fine with us. This is an instance where actually everything worked to the letter as we hope it would for most trades. All right, so this is the 6A. Remember this visually. Pivot and then conquering the second pivot. In this case, the 1R is just about the same distance as the pivot. We talked about situations in previous videos where the 1R might be within the range, within the distance of the first pivot, or it could be outside. There's some implications, but in this case, it's just about the same area. So just another example of how our method works out in real time on the markets. Let's also look at some other currencies because they're moving and you should take note of these. So not all trains have left the station yet. Look at the 6B moving to the upside. Quite likely that this level 133 will be tested or retested in the near future. Also note that the Canadian dollar is moving up. This is all in relation to the general weakening of the USD, which is a completely different conversation, but just take note of it and look at this. This is how currencies move in tandem, actually. And you can also go through them all. Here we go. The 6E is moving out of this consolidation here, a little bit stretched to the upside at the Keltner, but this happens too, and I think it's worth a shot for a 1R. Remember, there is a previous pivot here, which we have to fight our way through. So make sure that you either take partial profits here or tighten stops. Okay, let's look at the other ones too, see what we can make of this. You see, this train has not yet left the station. 6J, we expect this to trigger and hit the 1R. So this is ahead of us. And 6N, beautifully worked. Look at this. This is a complex consolidation. Enough said, that's based on the previous video. And this has all been shared with you in advance. And now we, well, by whatever measure, wherever you went long here, we have a 1R. Partly a reserve currency, similar to the 6J, visually, of course, and we also expect to trigger. This train is also about to leave the station, not too late to hop on it. So I just wanted to share this with you, and just another instance of how our methodology works, no matter what is happening outside of the markets and what conditions we may have to do our work. The technical patterns keep working, and it really makes sense to just keep doing what we do every day. So we'll be back soon with further announcements. I'm planning some workshops this week, and I hope you all are doing well and following the methodology. Thanks very much. We'll be back soon, and until then, mindful trading.